Hey, Dave Knight here at 123daytrade.com. Thanks for watching. Thanks for being here. Today was Tuesday, February 14th, 2017. Happy Valentine's Day. I had, as far as day trading in the crude oil market, I had three trades and I lost -8 ticks. I had, let's see here, what did I have? I had two losers, one at 11 ticks, the other at -6, which was a net effect of -17. And then my lone winner today was basically a +9, and then I finish out -8. As far as what I was looking for range related, um, we've been in a very, very tight range since December 2nd, and I've talked about that in previous videos. But since December 2nd through the sucky month of February, crude oil has been really, really rough. I think there's only been two really solid trading days in the month of February. All the rest of them have been kind of just grind your teeth type of days that make it really hard. Anyway, as far as ranges went today, I was looking at 54.03 on the long side, and short I was looking for 51.80. During the trading session, neither one was hit. I think I had actually had a long signal at 53.65, my one long trade of the day, and it failed. It went back down to R1 and ran me out. My best trade of the day, or my first entry, was at 53.53, and then it ran up to R1. It didn't fail at R1, it moved above it. And the third trade of the day was at 53.59. And it moved down to a 2P move, got really close, got within 5 ticks of pivot before it moved back up. So the plan was basically to see that market fall to 53.11 today, hit the 3P, and then I was going to get out at 53.27 at 2. I traded my plan. I was looking at a maximum towards the end of the trading session. I was looking at 52.95 to be able to hit. I don't know where the market is right now. I'm assuming that it's inside this stupid trading range in between R1 and the pivot point right now. Now, obviously, I could be wrong because I'm not looking. I've already closed my charts out. I went and got my shower. I got my shave, and I took the other S word as well, but I did that earlier in the morning. Uh, I got my coffee, and today, 19 years ago today, my wife and I met for the very first time, and we had our very first date. And I am taking my wife out to lunch, and I'm not going to let any of you idiots that like to talk to me and tell me how bad I am affect my breathing. I've got to divorce myself from the fact that some people like to grind a little bit of the wrench in there, and they like to stab you in the back and tell you how you suck. So yeah, I suck. I suck. I suck. I suck. Therefore, I trade. Um, I don't have a backup plan. I've burned my bridges already. I burned my bridges uh, a long time ago. As far as income coming in, I live off of my previous successes as a trader that allowed me to do some investment related stuff in the past. I still buy and sell physical silver. I mean, that was a question that was asked of me. And I still do a state of buying and selling at times when I see a really good deal, and then I see a profitable venture that I want to get involved in. You don't really, I mean, some of the ideas that I got in the back of my head don't relate to trading. So, and that's the way it should be. Trading is separate from the other side of what I do. All I talk about in this channel is day trading crude oil. And let me reemphasize something that I said yesterday because the question was brought about. And Anointed Master, whatever his name is, made a good point. What are you talking about, David? You're not making sense. And he showed me different parts of my video that didn't make sense. And I agree with him. I can get kind of sidetracked and side brained and get off on a tangent sometimes. The course that I teach will be specifically related to the crude oil market. What I mean is that you'll be able to take my information and apply it to other markets. What I'm going to teach on is just strictly the crude oil market and how I trade and how I take on it. That's my 50th birthday present. It's going to be a 4-week course. Obviously, I'm going to record it. There's going to be no obligations, no cost involved whatsoever to do it. It's going to be a live webinar going over 4 weeks, starting no later than March 9th and going through the month of March, through the merry, merry month of March. And anyway, so March is my birthday. I'm turning 50 this year, and I want to give back a little bit to the community, regardless of what you think I can and can't do. I definitely know what I'm doing as it relates to trading. I've been in this business a long time. My background was hedging, and I'm still able to do that. And maybe, if you're lucky, inside the course, I might even talk to you a little bit about delta neutral and how you can apply that in the S&P market. All right, that's all I want to talk about today. My wife's calling in. God bless. Take care. I'll see you on the next video I put together. Bye for now.